Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aisha, and today we are going to be opening up a Ofra mystery bag. I believe that's what it's called. This came in a box. I didn't open it yet because I didn't know if it was like a box in a box or if it's like a everything scattered around, So I just didn't want to open it. This mystery, I don't know what I'm saying. Gather your thoughts, please. Thank you. We appreciate it if you do. The box valued at $35. I will leave a link down below in the description box if you guys would like to purchase it yourself. When I purchased it, I believe it also came with like free cleansing wipes. I think that's what it was. I know it came with something free, so that should be in here as well. So let's open it up. Trust the scissors. So now we got the box open. Let's look inside to some bubble wrap, of course. All right. Oh, okay. Hold up. Oh, okay. So, okay. I'm going crazy. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is what, my receipt, I'm assuming. Yes. So, yeah. So I got the Cleanse It Off wipes. Yeah. Cleanse It Off wipes, and they value at $7, but I got it for free in the box. And then the Perfecting Beauty mystery bag is $35. I do know that they have one for makeup and they have one for skincare, and if you don't know, I'm not a skincare person, so of course I got the one with the makeup. Okay, I have a lot of skincare. I'm gonna tell you right now, I have a bucket of skincare and I don't really use it much, and every time my sister wants to do like a face mask or something like that, she comes to me and then give her the bucket and she picks out what she wants. Okay, it goes to use. It's not a waste because someone does use it. It's just not me. I only use it like every now and then, but not so much. So let's just move on to this. So first we have the Cleanse It Off wipes. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. 100% cotton lip wipes. 15 pieces. It just says lip wipes, so am I only supposed to use this on my lips? How to use. Swipe your lips with wipes and gently remove lipsticks, glosses, and stains. So I think this is only for your lips, so that's fun to know. It was free, so it's okay. What's inside? I don't want to know what's inside. Oh my god, not yet. Then we have this. Oh my god, Ofra, you guys are freaking amazing. It has a little hand sanitizer inside. This is so cute. So let's take the bag out. Oh, this is kind of hefty. So I don't remember what the overall value of this was. I just know that it was $35. I'm obsessed with this bag. I feel like I would wear this bag out just because it's simply like, it's like a green color. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it, but it's like a green color. Really pretty though. And then I love like the little green thing here. So inside is this more Cleanse Off wipes? More Cleanse It Off wipes. That's funny. So now we have 2 lip wipes. So now we have a total of 30 pieces. Ooh. Okay, so that's already $7 that I'm aware of because of the receipts. So we have 5 items in this bag. I took one out. I had to count because I don't remember how many items was supposed to be in this bag. The next thing we have here is this banana powder. The really cute packaging. I'm obsessed. Oh, it has a little mirror. I don't really use banana powder much. I just never was into it. I never bothered to get it. I was just so used to. I still am so used to translucent powders that I never really got into banana powders. But I would always definitely try it, see how it works. And this, I don't know what I'm looking at. Honestly, I don't know what I'm looking at because I'm so confused about this box. Like, it doesn't say anything about banana powder. It doesn't say anything about the wipes. It just... Alright, so for these, I'm just going to have to look these up, honestly. So, the next thing we have in here... Ooh, okay. Is highlighter. The Talia Mar collab Ofra highlighter liquid to baked formula creates show-stopping pigments that melt into skin. And this is in the shade Soho. Oh my goodness. I freaking love their highlighters. Yeah, so it's in the shade, it's a collab with Talia Mar, and it's in the shade Soho. So let's just open this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that. So let's just swatch it. See how gleaming the glow is. I freaking love Ofra highlighters. Actually, I'm just going to put a little bit of this on right now. We're just going to take this Tarte brush. Oh, snap. That was like splattered all over the pan. Oh, that's a lot of fallout for some. Oh, forgot to take the mirror off. Okay. I'm just going to put some over the highlight I already have on. Baby, this is so pretty. Yes, I approve. I approve of this highlighter. And it doesn't tell me how much it is, of course not, because I don't think this is of any use to me, honestly, because I don't know what it's saying to me. I don't. It has like lipsticks on it and then like a palette, and I don't know what's saying to me. It says, I'm so confused. So let's just move on. So the next thing that we have inside of this bag is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Panama. Wow, this is really pretty. It's really pinkish. I'm not sure if I would use it as much because of how pink it is. And of course this is not in here either. We're just gonna ignore this card at this point because everything I look for on here is not there. It's very pink. Let me just swatch this on the back of my hand. Oh wow. This is really pretty. I feel like it's a bit darker outside the tube. I don't know how it would look on me though. I would have to actually try it out. But this is really, really, really pretty. And the last thing that we have in here is a makeup fixer. A light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. So let's just open this up and let's spray our face, baby. See how it smells, see how it feels. First sprays are always the worst, right? It smells really good, actually. It felt nice on. Like, I like the way it felt when I sprayed it on. It's light, it's very light. I like the way it smells, so that's a huge plus for me because if I don't like the way it smells, I will not use it. I wouldn't even want to try it out. I love the spritz that it has. The first one was not good at all. Like, you know, it's always, the first spritz are always bad. But after that, it felt nice. Like, I like the way it felt as it glided on. So excited about that. And that's everything that I got in my bag. I have to see how much it costs and give you the overall value. The overall value will be placed down here in this vicinity. Yes. I think, I'm just putting them back in here. I think I like the bag. I'm glad that I got a highlighter because the highlighters usually run for like, what, $39? And I paid $35 for this by itself. And then the lipstick, like the liquid lipsticks are usually $18-19. So I definitely know I have my value back in this bag. I love how you get a bag and it's like a very big bag. Like, it's a very generous bag. Like, I even put the other wipe in here. I'm gonna put the hand sanitizer in here too as well. And like, look at this. Look at how much space is still in this bag. Like, it's a deep bag. It's really, really nice. And then it's like, if you want, you can flip something in here that the flap goes in and it'll just be stuck out a little bit, but it's okay. Like, it's okay. It's okay. But I think that this is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. I think it's so cute. I think you should go out and get you one. It's worth your value. Ofra products are amazing. Like, the liquid lipsticks are good. The highlighters, hello? Shall I say this again? Hello? They're good. Hello? So I have to try out the banana powder. I'm gonna see how the setting spray works and how it lasts throughout the day. But it was a nice spritz. It was a nice scent. It was just doing good things right now. So I would definitely put your $35 in for this bag. I mean, I see how the wipes are. I'm kind of upset that it's lips and not like a full face remove your makeup wipes. So I would see, I think you can, if it's safe for your lips, I think it's supposed to be safe for everything else on your face. Honestly, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we could see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know anything, honestly. If you want to see another unboxing, if you want to see like anything else from Ofra, or trying any of these products from Ofra, or anything like that, like anything, just let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so you'll be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.